Hello guys. I'm SCJ Repair Shop. Today, I have here iPhone X. The main problem is intermittent power, or boot looping. According to my client, after he tried to bring to other repairers, the problem is still the same, and the battery is replaced for 2 times. Because they thought it will solve the problem. But is not. So today I will physically check inside of the phone and see if there's suspicious components who has been caused by intermitting the power. As you can see, after I plug into charger, Apple logos appear. But after a bit of seconds it will shut down automatically and loops again. After checking inside, I noticed that the battery connector J3200 has been damaged caused by improper plugging in the battery. So after I replace the J3200 connector, the phone works normally. While checking all the functions, it's suddenly shutting down again. So I removed the earpiece flex cause I noticed the flex has been torn apart. Guys, if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for you to get notified in my future videos. I thought the phone works properly. But after 2 or 3 days it's automatically shutting down. So I try to check the analytics data and there's panic full log. It means the phone have a problem to I2C's sensors. According to Panic Full Log, the problem is in I2C0. Check bus status. Bus is still in a bad state. So, as I have checked to my schematic all the connectors connected to I2C0. It is connected to PMU, J6400 or charging port and U6110 or accessory buck IC. I already checked those ICs connected to I2C0. and there's nothing unusual on it. And while checking all the possible causes, I have noticed that there's something unusual to PowerFlex cable. So I decided to remove it for further checking. And here it is. After I remove the PowerFlex, the tactile push button has been damaged. Just to clarify guys, PowerFlex cable or J4300 is not connected to I2C0. It is connected to I2C1, but even though the PowerFlex is not connected to I2C0, I need to replace the tactile button to prevent another sensors from damage. Because if any of those sensors is damaged, your phone will restart automatically and unexpectedly. After I replace this tactile button, I need to replace also the charging flex cable which is connected to I2C0. Because that's the main cause why this phone is shutting down unexpectedly. Okay. Done replacing a new one. After that, apply UV glue from both ends to prevent shortage. Now it's time to replace the main cause of the problem. Alright. After replacing a brand new charging flex cable, I need to put into test for further checking. So I decided to film my short video while playing Call of Duty. Just to inform you guys, I already test the phone for about 3 days and no signs of restarting. It means I have done successfully the process. Just to give you an idea guys, you need to familiarize those I2C's connectors. Because if you do a blind repair on it, it will leave the motherboard into worse condition. Alright. The phone works normally just like before. And I think there's one of my client would very much happy today for his phone with good as new performance. Okay guys. This is the end of my video. Bye bye.